Good evening, faculty, staff, family, friends, and especially to the class of 2020. Thank you to everyone here today for being part of this special day with us. As a first-generation college student who didn't think she could have made it this far, I'm honored to be standing before you as a soon-to-be Penn State graduate. In the light of recent events, it seems as though everything has changed for us, and for some, it has been hard to manage. Some of us feel as though we were ripped of our senior year, and I'm here to tell you all, it is okay to feel upset and to cry. Also, take all the time that you need to let the tears out. But in the midst of all that, don't forget your time at Penn State Schuylkill and to celebrate your accomplishments. This will all be a story we will tell our children one day. We survived COVID-19. In the course of the past 4 years, there have been many moments that have made me feel alive. Moments that have taught me my likes, dislikes, and what it is that truly makes me who I am. Penn State Schuylkill has been the place that has led me to experience these life-changing moments. It has been the place where I developed relationships that will last a lifetime. I will cherish these moments and memories long after leaving this celebration today. Penn State Schuylkill has given me an endless amount of opportunities, from traveling abroad, service trips, being president of multiple clubs and organizations, being an RA and a teaching assistant, and even playing for the women's soccer team, which I did not actually sign up for, but that's a story for another time. It makes you wonder, what are the moments that have mattered the most and made a difference? When preparing for this speech, I was told it could only be 5 minutes long. But how can one talk about the past 4 years and all the moments that have mattered in just 5 minutes? While this may seem an impossible task, I'd like to talk about 5 things that you can do in just 5 minutes that can change your life and the lives of others. In 5 minutes, you can thank the people who are most important to you. Say thank you for everything they have done for you and all they continue to do for you. Personally, I would like to say thank you to my mother for always believing in me. She is the reason I'm here today with all of you. I love you and thank you for supporting me every day. Thank you to my amazing family watching through live today from overseas. Thank you for supporting me even from 5,000 miles away. Also, thank you to the amazing faculty, staff, and administration who have shaped us into the students and adults that we are today. We wouldn't have made it here today without all your guidance and support. Let's give a round of applause to those here today who have shaped us into who we are and helped us get here. In 5 minutes, you can meet an amazing soul who may shape your life in ways you never could have imagined. Corinne Johnson was supposed to be graduating with us here today, but was unfortunately taken too soon, our freshman year. We miss you every day, Corinne, and we hope that we're making you proud. Corinne used to give people the best hugs along with a little punch in the arm. That is something I will remember forever, regardless if it hurt. We feel you a little more today, Corinne. Continue to rest in peace and watch over us in all our future endeavors. You might also meet a soul who makes you realize the meaning of true friendship. Penn State Schuylkill gave me a best friend who has made me become a better person each day, and I will cherish our friendship forever. Thank you, Layla, for being my person. In just 5 minutes, you can meet someone who will change your life forever. You all might have met someone here throughout these past 4 years who has made it a little easier to get through each day, helped with the tears, the heartache, the laughter, and the stress. Tina Rose has been my mentor the past 4 years here at Penn State Schuylkill. Tina never stopped believing in me from the moment that I met her, and she made sure to be there whenever I needed her most. Tina has a type of soul that lights up a room. She goes above and beyond for every single person, and I'm so thankful to have her in my life, not only as a mentor, but as a friend as well. Always be thankful for those people who not only made you happy, but helped shape these last 4 years into what they have been. In 5 minutes, you can learn something new. Throughout the past 4 years, there have been many conversations and moments that have left us enlightened. For example, you may find yourself sitting in our wonderful Hidden Stream Cafe, speaking to an individual for 4 hours, not realizing you missed class. This individual may become one of the most important people in your life, and you're thankful for that moment bringing you two together, because now you don't see life without them. When we leave here today, I ask that you continue to seek out those types of conversations, and whether these be in-person conversations or conversations from a distance through technology. Go after captivating conversations. Go after connections. Go after moments that make you feel alive. As we grow, we yearn for moments that make us feel alive and make us want to go back for more. Ask questions, especially the questions that make you feel uncomfortable, because that is the moment when you will learn something new. In 5 minutes, we can help someone in need. Throughout these past 4 years, I have been given moments that have made me realize there are far better things in life than material things. Help people, inspire them, and motivate them, because while you're doing all that, you may discover things about yourself you would have never known. In that moment is when true growth happens. For example, while being involved in Habitat for Humanity, I traveled to both Canada and Portugal to build homes. I realize what matters is the moments you give to others who may not be as fortunate. Those are the moments worth living for. Denzel Washington once said, "Anything you want good, you can have. So claim it and work hard to get it. When you get it, reach back, pull someone else up. Each one teaches one. Don't just aspire to make a living, aspire to make a difference. Let's all remember to help others up while we are rising. We're all in this crazy life together, no matter how hard times get." Lastly, in 5 minutes, you can make a decision that can alter your life forever. The decision that has altered my life was coming to Penn State Schuylkill, and every decision I have made has led me to this moment here with you today. In 5 minutes, you can make friendships that can make you a better person and make your soul ache for more experiences. This is where I discovered who I am and who I want to be. We tend to think a place can't change you, but I beg to differ because this place has given me more opportunities and experiences than I never thought I could have. And for that, I will be forever grateful. This is the place where we experience the best laughs, the heartbreak, and discovering who we are. Always remember that no matter how far you go, Penn State Schuylkill will still always be here. We are forever Penn Staters, and the Schuylkill campus will always be our home. I would like to leave you with one more thing today. Embrace the moments that have been given to you these past 4 years. We will have plenty of other 5-minute captivating moments, but enjoy this 5-minute moment because this is a time to celebrate your accomplishments. After we leave here today, understand there will be triumphs and missteps, and you will be told no so many times while the door is being slammed in your face. But don't give up. You might be told, "We regret to inform you we have chosen a different candidate for this job," or "We regret to inform you that you have not been accepted into your desired graduate program." When you're told no, always remember that something amazing is around the corner. It might even be an experience that helps you develop into the person you're destined to be. In the process of all that, don't forget who you are and what you stand for. You're the most important person in your life, and you're the one who needs to look yourself in the mirror every day. Theologian Howard Thurman said it best when he said, "Don't ask yourself what the world needs. Ask yourself what makes you come alive and go do that. Because what the world needs is people who have come alive." Thank you and congratulations to the class of 2020.